I request everyone to please pay attention as we welcome the chief guest of camp tonight's campfire. Sir is Sir E. Sawyam, the Vice Principal of St. John Bosco Boys Higher Secondary School, and
And I would like to welcome Mr. Santil Limbo Noble.
yes, sir.
Big round of applause.
Now, I would request the four messengers to give the message.
I came from the east and I bring the message of kindness.
I come from south and bring a message of loyalty.
I came from the west and bring the message of courage.
Now, I ask the chief guest to come forward to kindly declare the campfire open.
I declare that the campfire is open.
Scouts clap, go.
Campfire song. Campfire is burning, campfire is burning. Campfire is burning, campfire is burning. Go nearer, go nearer. Come sing and be merry.
A very warm welcome to each one of you, especially the chief guest, guides captain, scouts master, and to all my friends. I hope that you all enjoyed tonight's mega campfire program. Now, I request the chief guests, please get inside the hall for the next program.
After the chief guest, guide will follow the first patrol. Clear? You'll walk straight. So Haban will direct you. Follow the chief guest.